Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, it is asked that refer to the figure and find the volume generated by rotating the given region about the specified line R2 about OA. Right. So here washer method is used about y equals to 0. So let us take very simple method, right, to understand it. So how do we understand it? We want the volume generated by rotating the given figure, right? So we are rotating in this way, right? So when it is rotated in this way, that is about y-axis, right? So we can say that this is the area, right? So all that area covered by we want for R2 only, right? So for getting R2, we must take the whole area like this, right? And the limits will be what? 0 to 1 for x, right? From here, because we are rotating in this way. This is about y-axis. So this will be what? The limits will be from 0 to 1. This we know. But for finding out the specified line R2, right, about OA, we want R2 region, right? So we want area for the R2. So whole area, that is, we will be getting, this is R, we can say, we can assume it R, right? So we know that if it is rotating, then the area becomes pi R square, right? So area covered will be pi R square, and we will just integrate it. So this will be what we will get the volume in this way. So the R value is 4 for here, and after that you can say pi R square, right? So this is subtracted, total is subtracted with this curve, right? So the equation for this curve is y equals to 4 uh, 4 to the power 4 x to the power 1 by 4, right? So this is R. So if we subtract this, we will get this region, right? Isn't it? So this is very easy here. This becomes very easy here. Now we will see how to do so. So using washer method. This is called washer method in another way, right? So this is rotated around y equals to 0, right? Remember, about y equals to 0, right? So now we can say volume will be what? Volume V equals to pi y equals to A, and that is B. This is R square minus R square. Okay. So here x equals to A, right, equals to 0, because we are having this limit, right? So this limit is what? This limit is 0 to 1, you can say. So this is y equals to b, right? So y equals to b is equals to 1. That is, you can say the limits, the lower limit and the upper limit, you can say. So in this way we will solve this. Now v becomes what? Now as I have already told, that r square is 4 here. Y equals to 4 we will take. Right? So we will write here like this. Pi, it should be x equals to 0, right? So here this will be 1 and this will be 4. 4 square, this whole area with 4. Y equals to 4 is covered. So 4 square minus 4x minus x to the power 1 by 4 here square. So I think you have got why we are doing this, because from the whole area we are just subtracting this unwanted area because we want R2. Right. So now V becomes here, after integration we will get pi 16x minus 16x, you can say 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 only. Right. So here it will be limits x equals to 0. This is 1. Right. So this is very simple because we know that this formula is integration of x to the power n dx is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That is a constant. This is very simple. So now further moving, we will just put the limits. We will get pi 16 minus 32 by 3 right, and it will be minus 0 minus 0 here, right? Lower limit will be put here. Now it becomes what? P equals to pi 48 minus 32 divided by 3. That will be 16 pi by 3 here. Now we can easily say that this is the volume covered by the rotation. About y equals to 0, you can say. Yes, so volume is 16. This will be 16 pi by 3. So here 16 pi by 3 is in cubic units, right? So it can also be simplified with this. So it becomes 16.755 cubic units. So this is our answer to this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching.